it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Even on a cloudy day, just seeing the IKEA sign gets me excited. Today I'll be introducing a lot of cute new products from June. IKEA stores in various countries are having sales, so it's a great shopping opportunity. Most of the items I'm introducing today, probably all, can be delivered as small items. So even if there isn't an IKEA near you, please check them out. Let's get started! First, let me introduce some new lilac-colored items that I couldn't cover in the last video. But before that, the frame I introduced last time got a lot of feedback. I didn't put anything inside it, so I'll do that now. This wavy frame is so charming, right? I was debating what to put inside, and I remembered I had this magazine IKEA gave out a while ago. I'll cut out something from it to display. This frame is made of aluminum, so it looks really nice and doesn't feel cheap at all. The price is also reasonable, making it highly recommendable. Thank you to everyone who commented that they bought it right away. The back is secured with screws like this. I might change it later, but for now, this is how it looks. My room doesn't have much silver, but the grayish tint makes it fit well. The slight shine is also lovely. The mat underneath is a dish drainer from IKEA's kitchen section, which I also recently bought. Next, we have this candle holder. It turned out to be larger than I expected. The bumpy design is adorable. It's a lilac-colored candle holder. When I first opened the box, I thought it looked like a weapon, but it's actually quite hefty. I used the lid of the box I introduced last time as a base to create a little display. The combination of white and lilac is super cute. This is my kids' room, and my child loves purple, so there are lots of purple items here, including this purple stool from IKEA. Next up is a plant pot cover. In other countries, smaller sizes are available, but in Japan, the lilac color comes in this large size. It's quite heavy, but the light stripe pattern gives it a lighter feel, which I like. This is how it looks with a plant inside. Personally, I think it looks even cuter if you place it on a plant stand. By the way, the combination of the Glademan tray in the middle of the shot was featured on Instagram and got around 2 million views. IKEA really draws a lot of attention. Next, we have some new freezer bags. I bought the lilac-colored ones. What's great about these bags, besides their adorable design, is their practicality. Yes, so cute. To reiterate, these bags are 1 liter size, making them perfect for carrying liquids on international flights. Plus, IKEA's bags have double zippers to prevent leaks. Here's the latest news. Japan's IKEA stores in Shinjuku, Harajuku, and Shibuya offer exclusive designs that you can only buy there. Each store has different designs. This one is from the Shinjuku store. The design is map-themed, which is super cute. It's clearly aimed at being a great souvenir. I want all of them. There are also tote bags with the same map theme. You can't buy them online, only in store. So make sure to grab them as souvenirs when you visit Japan. One more item from the Lilac series. This is an attachment for the SKÅDIS pegboard system, a clip. We use SKÅDIS in the kids' room, attaching it creatively to an IKEA Mickey desk. I've explained the attachment method in a previous video. Installing it on the desk side leaves the walls unmarked, so it's great for renters. Using this wall storage system keeps the desk tidy without having to stash everything away, making it easy to grab and return items quickly. The purple clips are also very charming. SKÅDIS has a wide variety of attachments like baskets and trays, allowing you to customize it to your needs. In a previous video, I mentioned wanting this new dining chair. And here's the brown color on display. It's also shown with the matching table. The tabletop is thick veneer, giving it a luxurious feel, although it's quite heavy. It's an extendable type as well. For some reason, the light beige color was in the outlet section, probably a display item, making it a great deal. Many items from the same series as this rattan chair, which I've introduced several times, are now available. They're all super charming. Among them, I bought some relatively small items. This is a wall rack. Assembly was straightforward but took a bit of time. It's not difficult. As with many products, there are some manufacturing tolerances, so leave the screws loose at first and then tighten them up. The rattan is finely woven and looks beautiful. I noticed the bag of screws was made of paper instead of plastic, which is a nice touch from IKEA. Paper is easier to handle as a user. While assembling, I'll introduce other items from the same series. This series also includes a rolling cart, cabinets, and desks. This cart is super cute. I was thinking of buying it, but the series tends to be larger than expected. In the next post, I hope to show you the actual sizes in store. The contents might change though. Can you see the scale? This is the size of the shelf. For now, I'm placing it here. I'm using these tools under the IKEA mirror. These drywall pins made installation easy. It's a simple method. I'm placing it on top of this side table. Using a jig for inserting the drywall pins makes the process much easier. It's a great product to have as it's reusable. Just push the pins in like this. I fixed it temporarily with just the top two pins. How does it look? The striped wall below is a bit distracting, so I'll remove it later. This might become my makeup spot. Here's how it looks. After sharing this on Instagram stories, I received a suggestion to add a white cushion cover for a cute look. So I did. The white edition is adorable. Also, fake greenery looks amazing with rattan. I think it would also look great as a storage shelf in the bathroom. I received many comments and DMs about this fake plant I introduced last time, saying it's cute and affordable. Fake plants often go out of production quickly, so grab them while you can. This Lego box is on sale in Japan and Taiwan. I'll introduce this Lego box. We used the small size for my child's small items. It seems they're storing hair accessories in it. The lid is Lego and the sides are Lego compatible, so you can play with blocks on them. IKEA also sells Lego sets, including IKEA themed pieces like hot dogs. Next time, I'll introduce new products like speakers that have finally arrived in Japan. Thank you for watching until the end. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video soon.